Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Banana curry. Really love this one. So we've got bananas or plantain, whatever you want to use. Chickpeas, coconut, fantastic spices. Vegetarian, vegan, healthy, delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's take a look at the bananas that I'm using today. These bananas are actually, the skins are not too bad. They peel quite easily. The banana's right there. You can cut it quite easily and it's quite sweet. So it's just like a kind of a regular hard banana. Some of the bananas you're going to get are going to be really difficult to peel. The skin's really tight on them and really hard inside. What you can do in that case is drop them into some boiling water with the skin on, boil away for a few minutes, and then the skin will come off really nice and easy, and the banana inside would have cooked somewhat. But for me, no need. I've got the banana there. We're just going to slice it up and get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got some oil here. I'm using a sunflower oil, a couple of centimeters maybe. What we're going to do is grab our banana, and like I say, these peeled quite easily. I mean, they weren't like a regular banana, but they were easy enough. It depends on what you're using, different types of banana or plantain. Anyway, we're at this stage now. I've cut it into these kind of sized pieces. We're going to get them in the oil. We're going to fry them around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Another thing that I love doing with these guys is cutting them nice and thin and then frying them off, getting some nice kind of, banana chips. A little bit of turmeric, a little bit of spice in there. You could try that. They're really wonderful. Nice little snack. So yeah, 4 or 5 minutes. Going to be moving them around a little bit. But yes, these are going to be incredible. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a nice bit of colour on them. They're still nice and firm. What we're going to do is get them out of the oil now, set them aside, and then we can move on. Okay, so our bananas are done, you saw that. Chickpeas. Now, you can use a can if you want. These are dried ones which are soaked and cooked. If you're going to use them from a can, make sure you give them a nice wash in some water. 1 onion, cut nice and small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green cardamoms, teaspoon of cumin seeds, teaspoon each here of what I always call the big 4, cumin, chili, coriander, and turmeric. Some fresh chili, that's up to you how much you want to put in. 1 tablespoon of garlic, ginger paste, fresh cilantro or coriander, and fresh mint. I like the combination of both. You could just add 1 if you want. And then we've got some coconut milk right here. Let's get to the cooker and get this going. Okay then, so some oil in there. I'm using coconut oil. You could use something different if you want, just heating that up. First we're going to drop in the cardamom and the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds in there, let them do their thing. We're on quite a high heat, by the way. In goes the onion. And we're going to go for about 3 minutes, high heat. Keep it moving all the time now. This is going to be so delicious, really. So just a couple of minutes there, 2 to 3 minutes. Next up, we're going to add in our garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger, pureed up. You can buy it in most stores, depending on where you live. Or like us, you can make it. In goes those chickpeas. Some salt. The fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. We're staying on this high heat. We're going to drop in those powders, 4 powders, cumin, coriander, turmeric and chili, or if you wanted a curry powder that you already have. We're going to go back in now with our banana, our fried banana. Got a beautiful colour on it. We're going to go stay on this heat now for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let's just kind of fry it around and incorporate the spices. And then we'll be back. We're going to be adding some coconut milk. Excellent. Coconut milk, here we go. I've got about a pint there, 1 pint of coconut milk. What we're going to do is turn the heat down, not to a simmer, in between a simmer and a medium, something, you know, just nice and gentle. Give it a stir every now and then. I'll be back in about 5 to 6 minutes. And check that out, beautiful. It's really thickened up nicely. Off goes the heat. In goes the fresh cilantro or coriander and the fresh mint. Like I say, I like both in there, but you could just use one if you wanted. Didn't show you this earlier, but a nice hefty pinch of garam masala powder or 2. Just gonna give that a little mix. And that is absolutely beautiful. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, job done, absolutely beautiful. Nice with rice or with some roti, paratha or chapati, something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment, say hi. We'd like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.